Welcome, drone video fans. My name is Bill, and this throwback video is about the Syma X5C-1. We've got a couple of batteries in front of you. Those are 750 milliamp graphene batteries, which will fit into the Syma X5C with a little work. These were picked up $22 each. You buy the bind and fly version, and then you use your existing transmitter. The one on the left has got a Mobius Mini attached to it, and the one on the right has a all-in-one VTX attached to the top. And I made up a harness so that I can feed both the motors and the VTX with the same battery. Here's a X8C transmitter with a timer on the top. The X8C transmitter gives you extraordinary range with the X5C, and it'll work with any version 6 X5C. So we're going to put the Mobius Mini version up first, and it gets pretty decent video. You have to make some adjustments. I should have adjusted the since it was a bright sunny day, I should have adjusted for bright sun, which would have reduced some of the shutter roll that you're going to see here right there. But overall, the video comes out pretty good, much better than a lot of toy grade quadcopters that I've seen. The Mobius Mini also has a gyro stabilization, but it's not turned on in this particular sample. But we were just flying around here to give you a little idea. That hoop that you see there is for frisbee golf. And we're gonna put it down here and then get ready to take off with the FPV version as soon as we land it here on the basketball court. So after landing here, we're gonna you see I've got the FPV version there, and my Viper FXT goggles. The FXT goggles record in 640 by 480, and I inadvertently had the VTX set to 200 milliwatt output, so it was between providing voltage for both the VTX and the motors. This was going to be a pretty short flight, but you can see that the video is really clear because 200 milliwatts is enough to go a considerable distance, probably at least a half mile or more, and we're just sort of flying around here in this little field. But those give you nice video, and if you've never flown FPV and were afraid to try it with some of the more expensive, faster racing models, get yourself one of these little X5C bind and fly models, so you can pick them up at some of the Chinese e-tailers for like 22 bucks, and stick an all-in-one camera on there and go out and have some fun with it. It's a lot of fun. We're going to fly over the kids' playground area over here. This is at a local school, but it is fun, and let you get your first experiences flying FPV. Anyways, we just thought we'd do this quick throwback video to show you that you can still have fun with these little toy grade quadcopters. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Hope you enjoyed a throwback to the old days of the Syma X5C. Leave a comment and come back again soon.